Hello everyone, I just wanted to show you how to do a quick search on Sales Navigator. Just go ahead to linkedin.com, and then once you're there, you should log into, well, basically your homepage, and it has your news feed there. If you have Sales Navigator, you click on that icon to the right. And I actually have some saved searches here for my items, and this is what we're going to end up building for you. But what we're going to do is we're going to put our mouse over the search for leads, not for search for accounts, but search for leads. When you click that, you'll notice there's this big search filter section here. And you can definitely use that for super, super detailed searches, but for what you're using, you don't need that advanced stuff because you're not hitting area codes and stuff like that. What you have here on the left are all the searches you want. So you have these are the filters, include, exclude. You tend to want to, we can work on that later once we run the search. You tend to want to identify your geography. It's exactly what regions that you want to do. If it's entire United States, if it's certain states and certain areas, certain countries, and that sort of thing. The relationship is always second degree. So we'll just do an example here. With the greater New York area. I'll have second degree. These are company names or very large companies. You can find those in there, but a lot of times you won't use this. Industry is also very important. For example, if I want to deal with computer software development or internet or retail entertainment, I deal with entertainment and internet a lot. So here, I'm dealing, goes down to venture capital, health, human resources, quite a bit to choose from. And I won't pick any industry right here. Company headcount, that's also important. Self-employed, that's one individual that doesn't have a group. 1 to 10 are very small. 11 to 50 are small to medium type groups and stuff like that. And for return client, that's the basic size there. And don't copy mine other than the second degree, of course. I'm just giving you examples of how I would search. For my industries, I would definitely do a managed consulting. Would add internet, computer software, things of that nature. Senior level. I usually deal with C-level. CXO means the C-level individuals. I would also work with the owner, the decision maker, and partner, and also VP. So those are individuals that I would search for. Function. These are what they're actually doing. These are the categories what they're doing here. And if I want to hit salespeople, add those individuals like that. And you can see my numbers are really down because my search is very, very detailed. So what I probably don't need is industry right now for mine anyway. And the reason why you have second level degree connections is because you want to target those in order to be a first level. Title tags. They may have specific titles you're looking for or tags, but those things that you're not looking for. So if I am looking for 11 to 50, in the New York area alone for second degree individuals at a senior level who could potentially use this. I currently have over 20,000 people. Now, these individuals are the ones that posted the last 30 days, so this is really my target here. These individuals will have a higher chance of actually responding. So this is actually a good number because I can start with New York, and then I can go to other states. For example, if I just hit United States, right? Of course, it's a very broad search here. Right? It will be a little bit ridiculous. 49,000, almost 50,000 individuals posted in the last 30 days. So what we do is we end up parsing out 1,000 at a time to go towards that. So go ahead and play with that and figure out if there's a big grouping. This is a huge grouping just because my category is so broad. So I'm not even targeting industry or anything like that. So as soon as you target industry and city, it ends up going down. But this will give you a good idea of how many people are in the areas that you're targeting. This number is ridiculously high. You tend to we tend to scrub about 1,000 at a time. 1,000 people. If 80 are sent out today, 1,000 ends up being like 12 to 14 days. So in a month, you end up going to between 2,000 and 3,000, 2,500 individuals. So you want a campaign that goes for a good 3 to 6 months. So what you're looking for is all your searches and combined over the last 30 days, probably totaling something along the lines of 2 months would be like 7,000, and then no, 3 months would be about 7,000. 6 months would be closer to 14 or 15,000 individuals. So if you have anywhere between 15,000 in your search, your combined searches and all this other stuff, it's actually a good indication that you can have a good solid 6 month campaign. All right. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.